Hello, welcome to Latest Wealth. I am Kailash here. I am financial advisor as well as wealth coach. My dear friends, I have been conducting a lot of workshops, seminars, training classes on stock market and as well as wealth management. And most of the places people will come and ask me, sir, which stock I have to purchase now? Before that, my answer is, please remember my friends, if you want to invest in stock market, first step is you have to understand about stock market very well. Then, because the stock market is only the investment which is knowledge based investment. Before investing, you should know about different sectors, because every sector is having a sometimes prime period, sometimes dull period. So you need to know about which sector you are going to invest. So to help the people who have been doing the videos on about different sectors, if you have not watched previous videos, please start watch other videos, and in future we are going to create n number of videos on different sectors. Please keep watching. In earlier episodes we discussed about different sectors, and in future also we are going to create some other different sectors. As an investor, you must know about different sectors before putting your hard-earned money into any stock. This episode we are going to learn about finance, lending. What are the future prospects? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? And who are the key players? Let us start. My dear friends, do you know about Power Financing Corporation? Do you know about Rural Electrification Corporation? You don't know? Or you may be knowing. If you want, just watch this video fully without skipping anything, because this is also going to play a vital role. As we have been discussing in earlier videos, infrastructure development, real estate development, villages, urban area, some of the smart cities government is planning, as well as government is planning in different rural development programs. Because now in India, one good news is that we got second term stable government. When the stable government is there, naturally they are going to plan a lot of things. And however, there are some plus points, there are minus points, there are good, strong points and weak points. Let us watch fully.
Finance term lending, sector group, financials, classification, commodity business.
Now let us see what are the future prospects of this industry.
Future prospects in stock market. Domestic economic growth leading to high growth industrial and commercial activity. Growing population and rapid urbanization. Requirement for much more power, infrastructure, roads, ports, railways, etc. And hence, a requirement for long-term capital for projects. Government policies to augment the power, infrastructure, defense and other sectors.
My dear friends, now let us see what are the advantages of this sector in Indian stock market.
Advantages of this sector in stock market. Growing demand from domestic industry, public and private companies, especially in capital intensive projects of long gestation and high risk. Availability of technical expertise to advise and help clients design, execute and maintain large projects even if they are remotely located. Growing demand for project related consultancy and financial services, which are lending companies in the sector to earn on fund based income. Growth in the new business of venture capital and private equity are giving an opportunity to these companies to leverage their expertise for their own funds and work for others in an advisory capacity.
Now you heard about all the advantages. You might be thinking, Kailash, only plus points? There are no minus points? Yes, my friends, as an investor, you should know about plus points as well as minus point, strengths and weakness. You should know about disadvantages of this sector. Now let us have a look about what are the disadvantages of this sector.
Disadvantage for the sector in stock market. Negatively impacted by high interest rates, especially as the project execution and moratorium periods are long and the lenders need to commit to the project much before the actual finance is required. Risk of default and or delay, especially in projects like power distribution, where the customer is often subsidized by the government. Cost of the capital is much higher than that of the commercial banks. Corruption and greed of officials may cause them to overlook risks associated with the project. Important indicator: loan book growth.
Now you might have got some idea. Now let us see who are the key players in this sector.
Key player companies in stock market: Power Finance Corporation, Rural Electrification Corporation, Industrial Development and Finance Corporation, and IFCI.
My dear friends, hope you got some idea and some knowledge about finance term lending firms and have some more idea about this one. And you can consider, if you want, one or two stocks in your portfolio. Please, before having a proper knowledge, don't invest in stock market. If you want more knowledge, you can attend our training classes. We are going to conduct training classes in different parts of the country, and if you want, press the link below this video. You can get some more details, and please subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again, enjoy every bit of life. Have a nice day, and bye bye. Thank you very much.